If you run a software business and have ever tried making tutorial videos, you know how incredibly chaotic the production process can become. Between managing lighting, finding camera angles, and hiding the clutter behind you, it basically feels like a full-scale film production every single time. Even after you finally record a decent demo with tools like Loom or QuickTime, turning that footage into short, catchy clips is a massive time sink. Previously, this meant hours of manual editing or paying expensive freelancers to chop everything up, which is just not a sustainable workflow. That is exactly why I want to show you Vizard, a powerful tool designed to completely transform your content repurposing workflow. It isn't just another generic editor, it changes how you turn long webinars and tutorials into snackable content that actually drives clicks. I will walk you through exactly what it does and why it has been an absolute game changer for me and my entire team. Think about the typical scenario where you record a messy 20-minute walkthrough that is filled with useful info but also endless pauses and searching. Before Vizard, you had to manually trim the good parts, fix audio levels, add subtitles, and figure out the right crop. But now Vizard does the heavy lifting. Step 1 is incredibly simple. You just upload your full-length recording, whether it's from Loom, Zoom, or any other screencast source. You can even batch upload a full week's worth of raw footage at once to save yourself even more time. Once your video is in, Vizard automatically analyzes it to find the parts that are likely to perform the best on social media. It looks for engagement markers like speech patterns and visual changes to pinpoint where audience attention is most likely to spike. Instead of sifting through an hour of footage, you suddenly have a collection of ready-to-post clips generated in just a few minutes. But it doesn't stop at clipping. Vizard automatically formats your clips into different aspect ratios for Instagram, TikTok, Reels, and YouTube. It even adds professional subtitles automatically, which you can quickly correct if the transcript misses any specific technical jargon. You can drop in custom brand overlays, lower thirds with your name, and choose from templates that match your company's aesthetic perfectly. You can even save a brand kit so that every single clip you create stays consistent with your official logos, colors, and fonts. One of the biggest headaches for creators is consistent scheduling, but Vizard's auto-schedule feature takes that entire burden off your plate. You tell it how often you want to post, and it automatically slots your content into your calendar while optimizing the posting times. The content calendar is a total game changer, allowing you to preview, edit, and reorganize everything in one centralized location. Need to delay a post because of a product release shift? Just drag and drop it, and everything else updates seamlessly. It truly is one place to plan, edit, and publish your content across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Now, I know there are other tools available, especially ones that focus on AI avatars and translated voiceovers for global training. While those are great for single, polished training assets, they often lock features behind expensive enterprise plans and lack social repurposing. Vizard solves a very different pain point, which is the need for consistent growth and repurposing without hiring a full team. It is built entirely around the idea that one long demo should feed dozens of short, platform-ready pieces of content for your social media. Because the process is so incredibly fast, you have the freedom to test different hooks and formats without burning your budget on editing. I uploaded a 12-minute tutorial recently, and in under 10 minutes, Vizard surfaced 18 high-performing, ready-to-use clips. By the time my coffee went cold, I had an entire week's worth of content scheduled across 3 major platforms. The result was immediate, with the short explainer clips getting picked up by communities and driving a spike in new demo signups. Remote teams can also benefit since you don't need professional gear. Just have your team record their Loom, upload it, and let Vizard do the rest. You can even mine long 90-minute webinars for hidden gems like Q&A highlights or the best customer quotes to use in your paid ads. If you need to make specific adjustments, the editing interface makes it super easy to change subtitles or add quick graphics. For those who prefer to keep their production outside, you can easily export masters and hand off the high-quality files to your agency. Vizard's sweet spot is making content accessible, so it focuses on crisp auto captions, which are critical for muted viewing on mobile platforms. Pricing-wise, you get massive repurposing power without needing to upgrade to enterprise-level plans just to post clips regularly. I really love how this tool forces me to think in systems rather than treating every single video as an individual stressful event. Now I just record, upload, and let the software map my content into a consistent cadence, freeing up time to focus on better scripts. And because it's so fast, you can A/B test different openings and hooks to see exactly which ones perform better with your audience. If you are still spending hours chopping up your recordings, seriously give Vizard a look to see how it can scale your output. It turns long tutorials and webinars into a steady stream of social-ready content, handles aspect ratios, and manages your entire calendar. If you want to test it, just upload one recording you already have and let Vizard pull the clips and set your posting frequency. That single session is worth it because you will get days or weeks of ready-to-post content out of that one single recording. If you like seeing tools that actually save time and help you grow organically, hit the like button and subscribe for more walkthroughs. I'll be using Vizard to turn more of my long demos into bite-sized clips, and I cannot wait to share the results with you all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.